Welcome back to our channel, where we explore strategies and insights to help you navigate the world of finance. In today's video, we'll be discussing a topic that concerns many individuals: inflation. Specifically, we'll explore how you can make money despite rising prices. Let's dive in. Inflation refers to the general increase in prices of goods and services over time, eroding the purchasing power of money. While it may seem challenging to make money in an inflationary environment, there are strategies that savvy investors and individuals can employ to not only mitigate the impact of inflation but also capitalize on the opportunities it presents. Understanding the impact of inflation. Before we delve into specific strategies, it's important to understand how inflation affects different assets and investments. Inflation tends to erode the value of cash and fixed income investments, such as savings accounts or bonds, as their returns may not keep up with rising prices. However, certain assets have historically demonstrated the potential to outpace inflation and provide attractive returns. Strategies to make money despite inflation. Here are some strategies to consider when aiming to make money despite rising prices. 1. Invest in stocks. Historically, stocks have shown the potential to outperform inflation over the long term. By carefully selecting companies with strong fundamentals and growth prospects, you can position yourself to benefit from rising prices and potential capital appreciation. 2. Real estate investments. Real estate is often considered a hedge against inflation. Property values and rental income tend to rise with inflation, providing potential income and wealth growth. Investing in residential or commercial properties, real estate investment trusts, REITs, or real estate crowdfunding platforms can be viable options. 3. Commodities and natural resources. Investing in commodities such as gold, silver, oil, or agricultural products can act as a hedge against inflation. As prices of these tangible assets tend to rise during inflationary periods, they can preserve purchasing power and potentially generate attractive returns. 4. Treasury inflation-protected securities, TIPS. TIPS are bonds issued by the government that provide protection against inflation. The principal value of these bonds adjusts with inflation, providing a safeguard against the erosion of purchasing power. TIPS can be a suitable addition to a fixed income portfolio during inflationary times. 5. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is a key principle of investing. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographies, you can reduce the impact of inflation on your overall portfolio. This strategy helps mitigate risks and potentially capture returns from various sources. While inflation can pose challenges for individuals and investors, it's important to remember that opportunities exist to make money despite rising prices. By considering strategies such as investing in stocks, real estate, commodities, TIPS, and maintaining a diversified portfolio, you can position yourself to potentially grow your wealth and preserve purchasing power over time. Remember, it's crucial to conduct thorough research, seek professional advice if needed, and align your investments with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Making informed decisions and staying focused on long-term wealth creation can help you navigate the effects of inflation successfully. We hope this video provided you with valuable insights on making money despite inflation. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more financial tips and strategies. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.